Hey, welcome to Tech with Mannat. Today I will talk about what is email marketing and how does it work. This beginner guide will explain exactly what email marketing is and how it works. By the end, you will have a solid grasp of the basics along with the now how to launch an effective email marketing strategy for your business. Email marketing is the most profitable and cost-effective direct marketing channel, generating an average return on investment of $42 for every $1 spent. For this reason, a long email should be a key pillar of your digital marketing strategy. Not doing any email marketing is like leaving money laying out on the table. But if you are a bit confused about where to start, that's totally normal. Email is a vast discipline. It's easy for beginners to get lost in a sea of tools, techniques, and terminology. For more, let's take a glance at 10 best email marketing affiliate programs. Friends, if you really like my video and get any information from my videos, so please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more interesting and informative videos. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.